Hi there folks, welcome back to our channel. Today we get to take a trip down to the beautiful beaches of Cape Town. So here we are in Cape Town, ready to enjoy a day at the beach. And we thought instead of lugging out everything from the car, we decided to try out the KampCo all-terrain folding wagon. You can also buy an additional add-on for this wagon. It's quite cool, but we'll dive into that in a minute. I wanted to talk about some of its features first. The size of the wagon itself is 99 by 59 centimeters. When you fold it up, it's about 82 by 59 by 20 centimeters. It weighs at 9.5 kgs, so not too heavy. It can handle up to 120 kgs. So we found ourselves a nice little spot for a picnic. We laid out our blankets and pillows. It comes with a strong steel frame and it has a tough 600D Oxford nylon material. The wheels are nice and wide, making it perfect for tackling any type of terrain. It can be grass, it can be gravel, and it was perfect for us on the sand. It has an adjustable handle. Now, we would use it on its full length when we're wagoning it around, but make it shorter when you want to fold it up for storage. Now, this is where the little add-on comes in that I was mentioning. You can purchase this tabletop separately for the wagon. We used it for our breakfast and even enjoyed our coffee from our trusty Stanley flask. It really added an extra layer of convenience to our day out. As we headed back home, we couldn't help but recommend the KampCo Wagon. It's not just for the beach. You can use it to transport your belongings, perfect for camping, shopping, or even your little ones and your furry friends. Trust me, it's a must-have. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button and stay tuned for more exciting content. Until next time, happy hauling!